bound to be something good. Any guesses yet? Any guesses? It is a... How long has this been in here, Ruth?
I'd say it's a good couple of years.
This is such an original bike.
It is. So that seat is original. So it is.
Just,
And the whole thing is original.
I'm just really surprised how good condition it is. I thought it would be much worse
Oh,
than
did
that, really.
you?
Yeah, really did.
It took a wee while to get her started.
Does it?
It might. I probably will with it been sitting, you know.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we're not starting now because if it's been sitting for a couple of years, the fuel will be old in it, so
Oh, right,
it wouldn't,
yes.
it wouldn't do it any good to run that slow.
It has a wee twin exhaust on her.
Uh-huh.
Makes a wee pip pip pip.
Finally! Finally!
Round and black, that's the giveaway.
It is round and black, and I didn't guess what it is yet. It's like fresh rubber. Look at that massive tire. You think the tire has the thing was?
Yep, I don't want that. What do we got?
Paint?
Very fancy.
Uh-huh. Looks like it's paint stripped from the 50s.
Do alright?
Ordered that from England because it cost an absolute clean fortune. Because the original paint matched to like a 1948 or 1951 colour code.
Lovely.
That's pretty class, isn't it?
We're boring, William.
This is so boring.
Well, this bit can all be fast forwarded.
Make it faster! Why don't you fast forward it and then I don't have to bar, but
3 hours later.
I'm gonna speed that bit up and think, oh, he's quick. People I don't know who inside of it.
always ends up this way with him. End up the last to see if
Unracking stuff.
Unracking stuff.
Always good. I like that too.
Did you?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna keep it.
Don't break up the...
Nothing, oh, nothing like that. I paid for it. Don't block me in. Look at that. You just wanted the glory of getting the last bit, didn't you? Technically, I fitted that.
I may as well finish it.
You may as well pump it up too, it's not much use like that.
Put a bit of air in it. That's still better than what was on it. So we're taking this off because this wee bit here is broken, so we're going to weld the tab onto it and then paint it. And then once that's done, the wheel can be refitted and that's us finished. I believe. I can't make a BSA noise, but it'll go boop, 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 boop. Or go back to the old one, whichever, but we're hoping it makes some noises first, because they're now out. You can get a flat head here for you, you have to do over that.
So let me just get this right anyway. What I'm going to do is come in and fix this for you as well.
Yeah.
Right. As long as we're clear.
Do you want to fix these too?
As long as we're clear that I'm rescuing today again. Like this is twice and it's not even 12 o'clock yet. You're not using proper tools?
No. I'm using old tools because it's an old bike.
That's really old tools, that's not even proper old tools.
I don't even know where these came from.
Yep.
How long is one of these in that?
Right.
Do we want to be repainting this back piece?
Yeah. I don't mind reputting it. It is one of the things we were asked to do. Those are awful.
I need it. I don't even know where they came from.
Probably the bin. That's straighter than what it was.
That needs putting an anvil and bait.
It does actually. Do you know I need blacksmith?
No, but I have an anvil.
Yeah,
Of course. How can you not own an anvil?
how can you not own an anvil? I don't own an anvil. My granddad had an anvil, but... Ow! 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 Metalwork is now finished for the day.
And I have a big proper anvil, like not one of these stupid toys in.
Well, plastic anvil's not going to do much too big.
So there's that number plate then, just back, from getting brazed. So I think we found the cause of our leak is in around here. It's all very clean, so maybe it's been pulled apart and gaskets damaged. And this float bowl or the primer is there seems to be fuel leaking, so this rag will sort that for now until we get that fixed. Okay, so we think we have everything sorted. We have some fresh fuel in the thing. Tarb's cleaned, wee leak has been sorted. So let's see if this thing fires up. It's been a few years from this was running, but we're hopeful. With a new spark plug and a bit of fuel. Almost. Almost ready for a road trip, that. So, a wee bit more fettling to be done and the air filter and stuff to go back on. And I think that will near be us ready to run.
What did they say?
Just chat about something.
So what have I done well, fella, like actually?
Actually, it's not a bad house,
Same
but
one,
you
right?
know, like it seems dead on and on, you know.
I don't know what's happening.
I don't know what happened. Apparently, we were just talking about something.
Yes.
Need some fuel?
Yeah, we've been petrol, just do lovely. And I think we have some 2-stroke mix in there.
Good job.
And
Right.
then it's ready to go.
Me and Igor is going to the key for the peg here. And we'll go away for about an hour if you want to go get some fuel. And then...
Can I take the bike up, please?
no, you can't.
Okay.
I'm having the first ride of it. Go and get fuel, get it mixed, get it into the mixture so it's running okay. And then I take a ride of it when it's back.
Sounds good.
And make sure it's working okay. Alright, see you in about an hour.
See you then.
Hey. Let's go, Igor!
Alright.
Because Will's not here. And I have the helmet. Let's go test drive this thing.
you pretend this bike's sitting here waiting for me?
It's all ready to
I've just seen a Snapchat that Victoria sent.
All ready, Craig?
Really? What speed does it get up to?
40 minutes, I think.
You suck.
You'll not know till you try.
But you already have. So what's the point in trying it now?
You have to try and better my speed.
It's taking all the enjoyment out of it.
You were too late.
Do you know what? I don't even want to anymore. I don't care.
Well, there might be a helmet sitting inside if you need one.
Really? What size is it?
Right, easy.
Really? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice bike. Look at them nicely polished wheels. And all the repainted shiny bits. New chrome bolts in various wee spots and locations. Brake and clutch that actually work. Carburetor that isn't pouring fuel out just sitting there.
League or any chance?
Nearly there. Just giving it that extra shine, you know.
Yeah. We've about 5 minutes and then we're loading this up because this is ready to go.
5 minutes is plenty, hey. More than I need.
Let's see how much work you can do in 5 minutes then.
Sorry.
Alright, good to go. Igor, you don't want to go with it?
No, I'm okay.
You're good? You?
Bye-bye!
Not going either then?
Nope.
Okay. Suppose I'll have to go just to deliver
You're
it.
gonna have to.
You need to pull that there out, that's to stop the fuel from, just so when you park it up you'll push that in.
Oh, right,
And
yes.
that lets the fuel out. So pulling it out,
Take
lets
it
the
out
fuel down,
first,
and leave it in about half. If you put it out too much,
Right,
it lets it
yes.
too much fuel in.
Uh-huh.
So
I don't mind picking that wee bike in the house. It's nearly too valuable.
you're
for
just
sitting out
right, that's
there.
exactly where I would be.
Nobody knows what's in the bedroom.
That's us. Well, I'd be lying if I said it was the first time I drove something like this in the house.
What? Is it the first
No, it wouldn't be the first time I drove something like that in the house.
You put them out there, you want.
It is.
Alright.
Wish I could put my bike in the house. There it comes. How good is that? Everybody needs a motorbike in their spare room.